Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at the Memorial Day event from Lowe's. So Lowe's.com. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tour videos. And if you want to help out the channel, buy more tools, make more videos of tools, tool reviews and stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got Lowe's.com here. It says Memorial Event. So we'll click here, shop now. And then from here, just go to tools, I guess. Tools. And then here you're going to see, you can even search by low price, high price. Or you can just search by power tools. Or power tools, accessories or power tools. I'm just gonna go over the general because there's not a lot of sales going on here. There's a few good ones. I'm just gonna go over the general. Pretty much. Let's see here. View. See, this is what I don't like about this website is when you have to put it in the cart so you can view the price. That's just gonna take forever if I keep doing that. But yeah, we do have the Craftsman 51 piece for $59.99. It's a okay deal there. This is a better deal. This is the DeWalt 20 volt max, half an inch brushless cordless drill, charger included, and 2 batteries for 99 bucks. So this is definitely a great deal. It is a brushless. Got a ladder here for $159. Another toolbox here. Again, put them in the cart. This is probably one of the best deals that they have. This is the DeWalt 2 tool. Let me just click on it, make it a little bigger for you guys. This is the DeWalt 2 tool, 20 volt brushless power tool combo kit with the soft case, charger, and 2 batteries included. $159. So this is definitely the better one, guys. This is definitely the best, probably the best deal. One of the best deals, or the best deals of this sale. So we got 20 volt max brushless drill driver. It says DCF787. And then what's the other one? Oh, DCD777. So these are definitely great tools. These are older models, by the way, but these are great tools. These are definitely contractor grade tools. Got the Metabo HTP or HPT power tools, $179 for that. There's another great deal here. This is mostly for the beginner, for somebody at home that's just wants a drill and an impact driver just to get started. $129 will get you there, especially with these brushless tools, guys. This is a great deal. This is Cobalt 2 tool, 24 volt max brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, charger included, 1 battery. So this does only include 1 battery, as you guys see there. It's a 2.0 amp hour. It's 2 tools though, a charger and a bag, which is a great deal. If you want to buy another battery, these Cobalt batteries are really cheap, especially these smaller ones. So you could just pretty much purchase another battery, still be under the budget there for like $20 more, $20 or $30 more. You're still gonna be over on that budget. So definitely recommend this. These are great tools, especially for the DIY. I would say beginner, contractor, light duty use type of thing, prosumer level, or just DIY. You got the Metabo HPT power tool 6 gallon, $179, and then you got the nailer, a brad nailer, $69.98. Got the DeWalt 12-inch 15 amp single bevel, $299. Little giant ladders, $149. Yeah, most of these are not that great of a deal. Some of these are just like I heard that rumors that some prices are already going up because of the what's going on now. So some of these prices are not the best. But you get the cordless 6.5 cordless circular saw with brake, $129. I believe this is not brushless. Let's check out this toolbox here. Add it to the cart. Okay, $489. This is a 52-inch. Not bad, but I wouldn't get it. Let's see here. $69 for this ladder. We got 2 blades for $49.98. Most of these prices are okay. $199 for this grease gun. Circular saw. This is brushless, I believe. Yeah, $279. $19. Okay, there's another battery there. Recip saw. So yeah, I would say most of the good deals are here on the top, especially with this drill and this set there. I'm gonna look at this price, see if what the price is to cart. Yeah, $489. I mean, it's not. Yeah, I guess it's fine. It's made in the USA. It says probably with global materials. So it is $489. It's a little nicer box. So let's look at the top. $389. So yeah, this is definitely a price it's a little higher. It could be better. Same thing with these. This could be better, but it's still not a bad deal at $59.98 if you need one, pick one up. But I would definitely consider that, especially this at $159 is a great deal, and this. So anyways, just a short video for today. They probably have a lot more sales. Let's see here. Hold on. I'm going to power tools. Yeah. Here's another one for $329, but this is the XR power detect. All right, that's it. I'm not gonna make this video any longer. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel. Buy some more tools, make more tool reviews, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.